What's up, guys? Fernie J here. So today we took a small loss after being on like a 8 trade winning streak, 8 green days in a row, and we're gonna break down what happened and how I took this loss and why it's okay. Boom. So we do what we always do, and we mark out our previous day highs and lows, right? So previous day high is up there, previous day low down there. Now, if we look at what happened overnight, price has completely dumped in the London session, and it's continuing to dump now. So after I saw this, I saw that price was continuing to dump down, right? That should have been an indication that I should have been bearish today, but I saw the setup forming and I took the setup anyway, right? So this is the previous day high and this is the previous day low. We are totally outside of this range, right? Price is creating levels here, and we're going to mark out all the minor key levels, right? Now, we have a very, very, very bearish day. There's been changes in the market conditions over the past few days. When we look at the bullish, when we look at the daily chart, we've been trending up a couple bearish days, but then we've had this crazy ass dump right now. So obviously, there's been a change in market direction. I've been a mix of bearish and bullish this week. I've taken longs and shorts, profiting on both. But when we were looking at the 1 minute chart, we're looking for an entry. So price opened and it opened lower. It broke through. It broke through an area of demand, continued lower to the next area of demand. And this is where I took a long position, guys. Right here. At this rejection, and I've been making this is my money play right here, right? So at this rejection, right here, it started to reject on the 1 minute chart as I was looking for my entry today. And I saw three rejection candlesticks sloping upwards. Okay, so there may be, although we opened lower and we swept the lows, this may be some sort of liquidity sweep of sell side liquidity. So I assumed it was, and I just took my position. And as you see, price floated around for a couple minutes, ultimately taking me out real quick for a small loss in comparison to what my account size is. That's okay. Journal it. I would take this trade again. I would take this trade again because this is a money trade. When lows get swept or highs get swept and price begins to reject like that, it's a high probability that it's going to go in your direction at least a little bit. So I took a 1 to a 1.5. I lost a small fraction of my account. Doesn't matter. And honestly, I've been having a really, really good 2 weeks. This is my first loss in 2 weeks. So I'm not worried about it. I'm trying to hit small base hits every single day and just stack up the wins to build up that confidence and consistency, as you guys should be doing too. So, yep, that's everything, guys. If you guys like this video, please share it, comment, subscribe. I'll be throwing more trade breakdowns, and I show everything. I show my winners, I show my losers. I never hide everything. I like to have everything authentic, and I like to show everything, So, as you know, guys, I've been talking about losing in trading, and losing is necessary in trading. Losing is basically playing defense. When you take a loss like I just did today, and it's a small loss, my profits from the last 2 weeks are still there. My win rate is 70%. So when I take a loss like this, why would I get emotional? I'll just go to my journal, my online trading journal, and I'll look at my win rate, and I'll look at my last 2 weeks. I'm like, oh yeah, I was green every single day, and my win rate's 70%. This one loss isn't gonna do me anything, right? But if you get emotional now, man, and you start making all the mistakes, for example, if I were to enter again and try to long the market after it's already decided, hey, we're going to be bearish as today, then I'm going to really just do more damage to myself than needs to be done. See, this small loss is not damage to me. My ego isn't hurt. My pockets aren't hurting. I had no expectations, really. I would have, if I see this play set up again tomorrow or Monday, it's Friday today, I'll take it. If I see highs and lows of a key level get swept, and then it starts to reject like this on the 1 minute, which is what I use for my entries, I'll take that play again. That's my money play. That's my money play. You know what I mean? Because I'm looking for an area of supply or demand to be respected, swept, and then respected, or broken through, and then continuation of trend. So this is just one of those days where the edge doesn't play out in your favor based on probability. It's going to work Monday. It's going to work Tuesday. One day really does not affect you. Learn how to take a loss and walk away from the market. All right, guys. See you in the next video.